Hey guys, it's Dajir. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So obviously this is going to be a makeup therapy video. So basically what that is just like me talking about like some therapeutic things while doing my makeup. This is obviously a voiceover. So I don't really do these that often. I did do a few of these makeup therapy videos before in the past. So basically that's just what this is. I'm just doing my makeup while I talk to you guys about like some things. So yeah, this video is one of my favorite videos to film because I don't really have to talk while I'm doing my makeup, which I love not talking while doing my makeup because one, I feel like it goes quicker, and two, I feel like it's very therapeutic just to sit down and do your makeup like how you want to and not have to talk through the steps. Keep in mind, I do love doing makeup tutorials and stuff, and speaking to you guys. It's just hard when you feel like you don't have that big of an audience, so you kind of feel like you're doing it for nothing, but that's kind of like the whole point. People say like to keep going even if you feel like stupid sometimes doing it. So that's kind of what I try to do and try to remember, like maybe one day, hopefully one day, this will all be for a reason. And I still do have people like subscribers and people who watch my videos, so that makes me happy. So thank you guys for watching if you're watching this video. um so yeah, in this video I'm just doing like a sunsetty orange smoky eye. And yeah, so basically I also want to talk about my life on YouTube. So basically I've been on YouTube for like 5+ years. In the beginning I wasn't really posting that consistently, but now I'm posting consistently. It's just really hard when you feel like you're not like the stereotypical beauty guru or the stereotypical like idea of pretty or beauty in society, because you feel like kind of stupid, like I said, posting and like making videos. But especially when you love doing it, like I love making videos, like I truly do. It's like easy to do it because you're getting like fulfillment out of it, but it's also hard because you're not gaining subscribers or viewers, like momentum as like other people. Like I'll go to other people's pages and they'll have like 2,000 plus subscribers and not that many videos, and I have like over 200 videos, which I haven't even celebrated my 200th video, and that kind of makes me sad because like I didn't post anything about it or like do a video that's my 200th video. But I didn't forget, but I've like posted some YouTube shorts, and that kind of like made it so that the videos were like higher than like I would like them to be. Anyways, like I was saying, yeah, it's hard when you feel like you're not the stereotypical person that maybe people want to watch. I don't want to say want to watch, but like I'm not the expectation of like beauty, like, but it brings me joy, so I'm gonna keep doing it. And I definitely feel like this can be like a nice inspiration for people who feel like they're not that stereotypical beauty view, like the view of beauty that people do in society. Is definitely just like if you like making videos, if you like being behind the camera or in front of the camera, excuse me, and doing makeup, doing vlogs and all that stuff, which I want to start doing more vlogs once I start doing more stuff. But definitely just get started. That's the main thing. Just get started and just make content. It's just like fun to do, and it's really inspiring to see. Even though my subscribers and my viewers are growing slowly, it still is inspiring and like nice to see that they are growing, and that makes me happy. And I don't really have much more to say besides like mental health wise. I've been doing pretty okay. I've been taking my medicine regularly. Guys, if you're on like medication, please take it regularly, because sometimes I don't take my medication regularly and I start feeling like really bad, and like obviously it's like take your medication, but sometimes I don't, so that's not great. But I've been taking it regularly and I've been feeling pretty okay. Like I still have down days, obviously, like with my depression and anxiety, but it's kind of getting better, I could say, as I cross my fingers, because every time I feel like I'm starting to say that, it gets worse. But doing makeup videos and TikToks and just YouTube definitely helps me stay busy and keep me motivated to like wake up every day and do something for myself that's creative and artistic, and I really just love it. yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys in my next video. Maybe I'll do like a chit chat, get ready with me when I talk more about like my mental health and stuff like that. But as of right now, that is the end of this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for subscribing. Definitely subscribe if you're watching this video, if you like me, if you like makeup. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.